For a mitered corner on a hem, mark your hem allowance near the corner on the wrong side. Then turn your project over to see the right side and give it a crease along that mark. Now you should have, this is just a finger crease, so now you should be able to see where those are. Pulling your hems up towards the wrong side so that they are flat. Turn your mitered corner, press it down. You can do this with your finger. And then pin that in place. Now you can see, it might be hard for you to see, but I can see a faint line right here from my finger pressing. And I'm going to stitch this line down, starting about right here, so that I still have enough to turn under. I went ahead and marked that line with my chalk, so it's easier to see at my machine. Now that I have this done, I'm just going to trim this so that this seam can pop open and turn my hem right to the right, well, to the wrong side. And now I can go back and press my complete seam. I pressed my seam to the correct way, and I also pressed the edge under a little. So now I would just going to pin my hem in place, and now all that's left is I just need to edge stitch along my hem. At the corner, pivot. Now my hem is done. I could go and press this again just to give it one last press before finishing, but that's it.